My name is Trent Bomberg and I'm the Managing Director of Dask Distributors. Dask is 36 years old and was founded by the late Jürgen Danowski. Jürgen was the first person to bring the Wonder Mask masking range from Horn & Bauer into the South African market. From there we saw that consumables pricing was really neglected in the market. Other providers in the market were very focused on paint, and we decided, well, this is an area that we're going to fix. We decided we needed 4 pillars of change for Dask to be successful in the market. The first pillar of change was strong partnerships. The second pillar was a skilled sales force. Third pillar was technology, and the fourth pillar is manufacturing. Firstly, our strong partnerships would be with our customers, really understanding and being close to them. Secondly, with our suppliers. We import a lot of international global brands, and understanding how they work and having a close relationship would allow us to pass that on to our customers at the end of the day. The second pillar was a skilled sales force. We understood that our customers really required specialized knowledge on consumables, and therefore we have invested in a skilled sales team who are taught and trained by international suppliers. And we really saw that customers required information at the touch of a button. Therefore we introduced our e-commerce website, which would allow customers to place orders and search for additional information when it was convenient for them. I'm especially excited about our manufacturing pillar. I think this is the most fundamental one for us. The local government is incentivizing the OEMs with rebates on procuring through local manufacturers. By allowing us to manufacture locally, we are able to provide customized products to our customers, and also through manufacturing locally we can pass on a more competitive price. Our mission is to be a world-class manufacturer and distributor of consumables into the automotive, industrial and DIY sector through innovation and responsible business practices. The culture of our company is very important for us to scale.
I'm honest.
I get things done. I am rewarded for performance.
I am accountable.
I'm a team player.
Our mission is to be a world-class manufacturer and distributor of consumables into the automotive, industrial and DIY sector through innovation and responsible business practices. Please give me a call and let's look to partner to grow our businesses together.